Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. As you must have read from the title, I am talking about 10 of my most favorite skincare products, and the amazing part is that all of them are made in India. I am so excited to share this list with you because this is for anybody who's currently suffering from hyperpigmentation, has acne prone skin or has active acne or has dry combination skin or dry skin to normal skin in general. And I have been testing out these products for a couple of months now. Some of them I've purchased, some of them have been gifted to me. One thing I want to clear up before I start the video is that just because it's made in India does not mean it's going to be a good product. Of course, ये जो वीडियो है इसमें I'm talking about products that are actually effective, that will show you results, but in general that's just something to keep in mind. And yeah, with that, let's get started. All of the products that I'm going to be talking about are here, and I'm going to take you through them in the order that I use them in. One thing I want to mention right away is something I learned recently, and I wish I had known that beforehand, is whenever you apply skincare, before that make sure that your skin is moist or it's damp, and that will actually make your skincare products absorb faster, quicker, and they will actually get absorbed properly. So then you're sure that it's going to work if it's a good product. And it has changed my skincare game. I will not apply anything until my skin is damp now. These are the two mists that I want to take you through. The first one is from Nature's Tattva. This is their rose water, and this is from Ras or Ras Luxury Oils, and this is the Rose Nectar Face and Body Spritz. Both of them completely empty. इसमें शायद एक बार का बचा है, and I hope you could see the spritz. It's very refreshing. It's very gentle on your skin, and it also kind of gives you a very nice base to put all your skincare over. And this is also very gentle, so it works very well with acne prone skin, sensitive skin. So unless rose is an ingredient that doesn't suit you, I really don't think that this ingredient is going to be irritating for any one of you. So rose water for the win. I love these. This will work amazingly well for a full body spritz as well, especially given how hot it is right now. So ये लगाओ, then put your skincare over it, and you are going to see the difference, and it's also going to feel very nice. As always, I will link everything in the description, so if you want to buy this, if you want to try it, you can try it yourself. Okay, so skincare करते हुए, how to layer it. I am going to make a full detailed video on how to layer your skincare, but that's for later. So once I'm done applying my mist, I then go to my serum. Now this one is the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Miraculous Beauty Fluid. They call it a serum. I genuinely believe that it's very heavy, so you can also use it as an oil, which is you can use it after your moisturizer and it'll still penetrate your skin. It does have a strong fragrance because very Ayurvedic brand hai, so smell रहता है उसका. So if fragrance is a problem for you, if it's a big concern कि इसके साथ तो आप product लगा ही नहीं सकते, then probably this product is not for you. But if you don't really mind the fragrance, there is no harm in using products with fragrance in them if they're effective, if they're doing the job for you, right? It makes your skin very plump and hydrated when you wake up, and over time it will also clear out your skin. It will also brighten up your skin a little bit, which I absolutely love. It's a very, very beautiful serum. I have dry combination skin. Sometimes I have very dry skin. It just works beautifully well. So there is that. Then the second one is from Earth Rhythm. Now Earth Rhythm is another Indian brand that I have been obsessing over. So this is the Clear Skin Serum. This is the 20% vitamin C, 2.5% retinol, 2% salicylic acid, and 1.5% hyaluronic acid Ultimate Glow Serum. This essentially is a vitamin C serum, but it's balanced with retinol, salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, which is why it's called Clear Skin, because these are the ingredients that will help clear out your acne scars, will also help in just clearing out and refining the texture of your skin, brightening it up as well. And it's a very gentle serum still. Like sometimes when you apply a lot of skincare, or sometimes when you're getting into active ingredients, they can be a little irritating on your skin. Depends on the formulation, depends on what percentage is being used. But this one is a very lightweight, very gentle serum, and it does do the job. I used it religiously for a while before I started trying new things, and I thought about it later. कभी कभार ऐसे होता है कि I try products and then I don't immediately think about it, but then after a while when I'm using something else, then I think अच्छा this was how my skin was behaving or reacting to this product. And now that I'm using a different set of products, this is how it is. So by that comparison also, I believe that this was working really, really well for me. This is the Dr. Sheth's Amla Vitamin C serum. This is also 20% vitamin C. It's 1% vitamin E, 1% sodium hyaluronate, 0.5% ferulic acid, and then there's amla extract in this. And this is a 20 ml bottle, so this is lesser than what you get in this. But immediately, like immediately when I say, I mean 2-3 days mein, I could see my skin brightening up, I could see my skin clearing up. It's working actually really well. मैंने काफ़ी जल्दी notice किया है difference, and that's the thing with skincare products, especially with serums or actives. उसको देखने में कम से कम 1 से 2 महीना लगता है. So a lot of times what people do is they want to see immediate results, and that's not going to happen. Let me break that to you. So be patient with your skincare and stick to it. Consistency is just as important as waiting, like being patient, right? Okay, I know मैंने कहा था कि I'm going to give you this list in the order of the products, like in the order that I use them in, but I forgot that I start with a freaking face wash. I am so sorry. I just got too excited with the skincare that's sitting like right next to me. Quickly, I want to tell you about this face wash. This is from Juicy Chemistry, another brand that I have been so impressed by and also very, very intrigued by. So I ordered a couple more things from Juicy Chemistry. उसको try करने में अभी थोड़ा time है. But this is the Tamanu Kakadu Plum and Frankincense face wash. मुझे कोई idea नहीं है कि मैं इसे सही या गलत pronounce कर रही हूँ, but it does not matter because this is such a gentle face wash. You need a couple of pumps of this. ये हल्का सा lather करता है, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करता. But again, it's beautiful. Like, I don't know how else to explain my excitement for a face wash. I had active acne when I was washing my face with it. I also have just like couple of active acnes and then probably just scars, and this works very, very well. It does not irritate my skin, it does not aggravate the acne, it does not break me out whatsoever. A couple of my friends have also used this and they liked it too, and we all have different skin types. So this is from Kama Ayurveda again. This is the Iladi Hydrating Ayurvedic Face Cream with essential oils of rose and jasmine. First of all, rose and jasmine are just some of my most favorite flowers ever. I don't know how much of it you can see. I'll put a close up as well of all these products. ये बिल्कुल ख़त्म है. ये इतना भी मैंने सिर्फ इसलिए रखा है because I wanted to show it to you guys in the video. Quite fragrant. Again, if fragrance is an issue for you, then probably skip on Kama products because they do have fragrance. उनकी Ayurvedic ingredients की वजह से. You need a small amount, work it in, and then if you feel like you need more, then add it because it might be थोड़ा सा less for very dry skin. So if you have extremely dry skin, just make sure that you layer the product well, but don't overdo it as well because it can become quite thick. And this baby stays on. इसके ऊपर makeup बहुत बढ़िया से जाता है. This layers up very well with the rest of your skincare, and all in all, it's a beautiful moisturizer. This one is the Renew moisturizer from Earth Rhythm again. This is with rosehip seed oil, ultra light daily moisturizer. It has SPF 15 in it. The lightest freaking moisturizer ever. It genuinely melts into your skin like butter. I'm not even kidding. आप अगर try करोगे तो you will like echo my sentiment when I say that when you take it out and when you apply it, it genuinely melts on your skin like butter. Similar packaging. इसका भी बिल्कुल आखिर तक मैं इसको ख़त्म कर चुकी थी. इतना ही बचाया था just for the video. Another amazing moisturizer. आँख बंद करके ले लो. I genuinely think you're going to enjoy this. Last moisturizer of this list is the Recool Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer, which is for normal to dry skin and it's non-comedogenic, which means it will not clog your pores. None of these products that I am using have clogged my pores either. So this moisturizer, now this is the latest one that I've been trying, which is like a new one, which is not one of my old favorites that I keep going back to. Beautiful. I know I've been saying that about all the products on this list, but I genuinely enjoyed all the products on this list. That's why they're on this list. Take a shot of anything that you like to drink every time I say beautiful and every time I say this list, okay? I have been using a bunch of products from Recool and I kind of incorporated into a specific skincare routine for a while. Tested this out. This baby works so well under makeup. Like baki sab chodo. It's the most non-sticky moisturizer that's out there. It sits very well under makeup. It gives your skin a very beautiful finish. बहुत अच्छा चलता है. You only need a very small, like perhaps a pea or two sized amount, and that would work very well for your entire face and your neck. But in case you have extremely dry skin, you can layer it up a little more. All of these products, they layer up very beautifully. That's something that I genuinely enjoy about these products, which is going to lead us to the last product of this list. I tried very hard to make this video chota, but that's just not something that can happen on my channel, so we're going to have to accept that. This is the last product on today's list, and this is the Requel Sheer Zinc Tinted Sunscreen. Again, non-comedogenic. This is the last part of my skincare routine. I try to keep it to a minimal of like 4 products at max, जो अभी ये लगा रहे फेस वॉश को छोड़ के, क्लेंजर को छोड़ के. पर जितना सिंपल रखोगे रूटीन और जितना कंसिस्टेंट रहेगा उतना इज बेटर फॉर यू. सो दिस sunscreen, I am just showing you, it looks very like coppery, like the color, of course it's like rust copper wala color hai, but it will get absorbed into your skin very quick, and then it dries completely transparent, so there is no cast whatsoever. I am wearing the sunscreen, I'm wearing the moisturizer, नहीं आता कोई कास्ट. का मेन पॉइंट इज टू प्रोटेक्ट यू फ्रॉम UVA UVB rays. So this is a 50 PA triple plus 100% mineral sunscreen, UVA and UVB IR protection. If you guys want एक detailed video on sunscreens, कैसे पढ़ते हैं labels, क्या करते हैं, कैसे पता चलेगा effective है या नहीं, separate video, gotta let me know in the comments. And that concludes this list and this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my recommendations. Let me know what you think about them in the comments below. Again, iska description, price, सब कुछ मैं already video में डाल चुकी हूँ prices. I'll still put them in the description box. Whatever questions you might have, ask me in the comments. I will reply to them. And let me know if you enjoy my recommendations, because on Instagram a lot of people constantly text me, but I just think that इतना लंबा explanation videos only make sense on YouTube. So I genuinely hope you enjoy these. Next list of recommendations क्या चाहिए, please let me know. I have a couple of ideas. I would love to hear from you. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you like. That way the YouTube algorithm knows that you guys watch my videos, you like my videos, and it just helps me grow as a creator and for us to grow as a family over here. So thank you so much for watching. If you stayed on till here, you are awesome. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you in the next one. I'll be posting 2 to 3 videos every week from now on, and I mean it. I'm gonna stick to it. So I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.